here for you.
Right at the top.
So you going to the beach this weekend?
Just for tonight, and then spend the day on the beach, and then like drive home later tomorrow night.
It's supposed to be sunny from what I saw. Let's go face down here.
Yeah. Well, today it's supposed to rain there. But then tomorrow it's supposed to be nice. So that's good.
That's the day I'm gonna lay on the beach.
My son's got a baseball game today. I think it's going to rain out again. I think
Oh,
the second, third game
I
in
feel
a row
bad
it's
for the
rained out.
sports.
It's like rain like every night. How's that pressure? Not too much?
that's good.
Clear tips here for you.
That was a good one.
That was an easy one. Let's breath in. And out.
Oh, that was a good one.
Get the tension out of the shoulders for you too. So you got the mem to wear a black shirt today?
What was that?
You got the mem to wear a black shirt today?
Wait, why?
Oh, because I'm wearing black too.
Oh,
So
oh,
it
oh.
match works out well.
I was like, wait a minute, what's happening now? Oh, that was a good one.
Nice stretch each way
I love this stretch.
Let's have you lay your side facing me.
Okay.
Ooh.
That was an easy one and a good one.
It worked that well.
Wait,
Good. Face up.
oh. Okay. Is the storm down?
Yeah, I'm doing this now for you. We'll do the Y strap test. There we go. That back.
That's perfect, like right at the stem.
Yep. 2, 3 nice little stretches for you. A little stretch at the end there.
we doing the?
Yeah, we'll do that behind that too.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, stop mine.
Okay.
The gravels and little strips there. There you go. Alright, you're all set.
All right. Oh, my glasses are over there.